Hi friends, this is Claudia and today I want to take you with me to Target. We are going to do some awesome deals with this cleaning supplies. We're also going to get some chicken, we're going to get some meat, we're going to get some juices, and we're going to get some water, and all this is going to be like great prices. So just come hang out with me. Well, thank you for spending another day with me, and today we are at Target and I found this deal on the scrubbing bubbles. They are on sale for $1.99, and we have a promotion that whenever you buy 4 of these participating items, you're going to be able to get a $5 gift card. The best thing is that we have coupons for these products that we can use here. At my store, they allow me to do 4 coupons, but the coupon for the scrubbing bubble is a limit of 2. I also had a printable coupon that is no longer available. So in this transaction, I'm going to show you the coupons that I use, but I'm going to show you the coupons that are available. So in this transaction, we're going to pick up 4 of these scrubbing bubbles. It's going to be $7.96 for 4 of them. Here I use a 75-cent coupon that I printed from coupons.com. We also have 50-cent coupons that came out in the inserts, and here on the screen I'm going to show you the date so you can look up at the dates on the screen. There's 2 inserts that they came out on, so you have a chance to find them and use them. After using 4 of those coupons, I paid $5.71, but here they gave me a $5 gift card for buying 4 of these items, making each item 17 cents after my gift card, or only 71 cents out of pocket if you have a gift card to roll. If you choose to get different items, you can combine this deal with the pledge. The pledge is on sale for $3.99. We're going to go with a cheaper product, but if you want to move on to a more expensive product, you can do that too. Here, I'm going to pick up one of the pledge for $3.99, one of the Windexes for $3.29, and also 2 of the cheaper scrubbing bubbles. They're going to be $1.99, so we're going to get 2 of those. For the pledge, we have a coupon that it's $1 off of 1. We're going to use $1 off of the Windex that it was also available to print on coupons.com. And I'm going to use 2 of the 50-cent scrubbing bubble coupon. Here we're going to be paying $8.26 out of pocket, but we're going to be getting a $5 gift card that we can deduct from this total. So after the gift card is going to be $3.26 for 4 items, or 82 cents each item. That's an amazing price for cleaning supplies. So here's another idea. It's a really good price. If you need it, you might be able to take advantage of this deal with digital coupons. These digital coupons are going to be available in your car wheel, so you can load them up and take advantage of this type promotion. They're going to be on sale for $11.99. You can buy 3 of them and they're going to give you a $10 gift card. If you have a gift card that you can roll onto this transaction, that will make it even better, because you can use the $3 coupons that are in the app. You can use one $3 coupon for Tide Pods. You can use it for the Downy Unstoppables or the liquid detergent. But you can also get the Persil. You can either get the disc or you can get the liquid. They're on sale for $11.99 also. And we have $3 coupons that you can combine here. So if you want to pick one or the other, or all 3 in the same transaction, you can do that, and you'll be getting a $10 gift. Now, if you are interested in getting the all detergent, these are also on sale for $9.99. We have coupons available for the all, and these are $2 over 2. So if you would like to pick up the all detergents that are $9.99, you will also be able to get the $10 gift card. Or if you don't have any coupons available to you and you want to go with the Arm & Hammer, these are huge bottles and they are on sale for $9.99, and they're also part of the promotion. When you buy 3, you're gonna get that $10 gift card. Also, the OxyClean, the powder here, it's on sale for $8.99. It's part of the same promotion. If you want to include in this promotion your toilet paper, we have a promotion right here with the Cottonelle. They're on sale for $12.39, and you can combine it with the Tide detergent and with the other detergents that I show you. It's part of the promotion. When you buy 3, you're gonna get that $10 gift card. For this, we have 75-cent coupons that we can use on the Cottonelle, and in the ibotta app we have a 75-cent rebate that we can also use to lower the price on this toilet paper. We also got some $1 coupons that we can use on the Charmin. The Charmin is on sale for $17.89. If you want to get the 20 mega rolls, those have a car wheel, 10% car wheel. So you can look in your car wheel app for that discount, or you can get the cheaper price and use the $1 coupon. It's up to you which one you want to get, and you can also combine it with the Bounty paper towels. The Bounty paper towels are also part of this promotion, and you can mix and match however you want to and take advantage of that deal. We also have a deal right here on the Scott toilet paper. This is also on sale for $13.99. We also have a printable coupon that is in coupons.com, 50 cents on this packet, and we can also use the rebate that we have on ibotta. We have a 75-cent rebate that we can apply to this product. And in some areas, some people got coupons for the Gain products. I did not get them in my area, but the 51 count is on sale for $13.99, and we can use the coupon here. This is part of the same promotion that when you buy 3, you're gonna get that $10 gift card. If you have those coupons, you can use them here. If you have the app ibotta, there's a $2 rebate for the 51 count only. I highly suggest that you scan your product when you are at the store so you don't buy the wrong product. Let's try to stay away from the bigger bottles, because the bigger bottles or the containers of the Gain, they're going to be working for the ibotta rebate, but you're paying almost $20 per can, so it's not worth it. So try to go with the smaller bottles of Tide and Tide Pods, because they're going to be like $5 or $5.99 after you get your $10 gift card. And if you have a $10 gift card from ibotta or Fetch Rewards that you can use to pay for that, it will be even better. So here are some of the items that I'm gonna be purchasing. I'm going to be buying some of these scrubbing bubbles. I'm going to get 4 of them. And with the gift card that I earned from those, I'm going to be using that gift card on the next promotion. This is going to be on ready-to-drink items. That it excludes whatever is refrigerator, so you can get whatever is in the aisles but not in the refrigerator. So here I picked up 2 of these Capri Suns packets. They're on sale for $6.59, and I also included 1 packet of water. Here's the coupon that I'm going to be using. Here is one that you're going to be able to find in the Target ad, or you're gonna find it on your car wheel app, and it says that whenever you spend $15 in ready to drink items, you're going to be getting a $5 gift card. So that coupon is already loaded onto my car wheel, and I'm gonna use my first $5 gift card to pay my second transaction to lower my out of pocket, and I'm gonna be getting that $5 gift card to use onto my next transaction that is going to be on meat. We also have that coupon available in the ad, or we have it in the car wheel, and it says that whenever you spend $20 on any meat, and that can be on the deli, it can be fresh meat or frozen meat, you're going to be getting a $5 gift card. So I took advantage of this deal. I found a lot of clearance meat. I got chicken, I got pork, I got beef, and I also got some bison meat. So I was really excited to get this because my husband really likes this. So I'm gonna be using my second gift card to pay my meat, and then I'm gonna be getting a $5 gift card. We also have a deal with the Chic razors. Here I'm showing you these ones because that was the only ones that were at my store, but this is not the right product that you want to get. You want to get the ones that are single and don't have extra items in them, because we have a coupon that we can get from coupons.com. It's $7 off for 2 packets of razors. It has to be the Chic, either women or men. And after the coupon, we're going to be paying like $5, and Ibotta has a rebate for $2 per razor, so we're gonna be getting each razor for 49 cents. Make sure you scan your Ibotta rebate so that you can get the right items, because I scanned all this that you see here and none of them work for it. So I wasn't lucky enough to find them, but if you are able to find them, they're going to be 49 cents. And here's what the promotion for the soda or any water or ready to drink beverage looks like. And here I'm gonna talk to you about a promotion that is happening on the Pepsi, and this is going to be on the Pepsi Zero. This is going to be on sale, and we also have a card wheel that we can use here, and we have a rebate on Ibotta. So if you want to include this promotion with your transaction, you can, and don't forget to scan for Ibotta. So I hope you can take advantage of this deal. I decided to go with the juice boxes just because my kids will drink that and they won't drink the soda. The next deal that I found here is on skincare, and I bought some, and there's a promotion that whenever you buy 3 skincare items or body lotions, $4.99 and up, they're going to be giving you a $5 gift card. Here I found 3 coupons that I'm gonna be mixing into this promotion. I found a $3 coupon for the Neutrogena, $2 coupon for the Clean and Clear, and a $3 coupon for the Cetaphil. With the Neutrogena, I am going to get these wipes that are $5.29, and that's gonna take off $3 with my coupon. I'm going to be getting this morning burst or the morning scrub. They are on sale for $4.99. Make sure you pick up the $4.99 because there's one over here that is $4.97. We don't want to get that one because it's not going to qualify for the gift card. You want to make sure you get the right one. So pick up one of the ones that you want that is $4.99. And then lastly, I'm going to get one of the Cetaphil wipes. I'm going to be using that $3 coupon that I got from coupons.com. Whenever I did this deal, it was still, my coupon was still available. Right now, it's not available, but make sure that if you have it, use it. So here I got the wipe. The wipes were $5.99, so my coupon took off $3. So here my total for everything was $16.27. I used $8 in coupons. I paid out of my pocket $8.27, and I got back a $5 gift card, making each item $1.09. I hope you can take advantage of this deal, and I hope that you can mix and match however you want to. Make sure the items are $4.99 and up. Whenever you're getting these items, make sure you do not combine it with the clearance items, because usually whenever we have one of these promotions and we try to use clearance items, the gift card does not show up. So let's try to avoid the ones that are over here on sale. Even though it will be a great deal, it's probably not going to work with the gift card. So try to stay away from it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you here that I bought the Neutrogena, the Clean and Clear, and the Cetaphil. My transaction worked just fine. My gift card printed just fine, and I used some gift cards that I had to pay for this transaction. So I really didn't pay anything out of pocket because I used my gift cards and I got my gift card back. I also bought the scrubbing bubbles, and it was a really, really great price on the scrubbing bubbles. My gift card printed fine, and the problem that I had was right here with the Capri Suns and the water. My gift card did not print, even though I scanned it from the card wheel app. My gift card did not print. And also I got some chicken, and I got some meat, and I got some beef, and my gift card did not print. So I had to pay a little bit more out of pocket for these 2 transactions on the meat and the water, but I ended up going to the customer service and they gave me the gift cards back. So I hope you guys have a great trip whenever you go to Target. Remember, if you have any problems, don't hesitate to go to the customer service and tell them to help you. I got both my gift cards, and I think it was like an amazing trip. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you buy a lot and save even more, and I will see you in the next video. Y este video se acabó.
Se acabó. Bye bye.